Hi, I'm Steve Cohen from Old Bridge, New Jersey. Well, my medical condition goes back to last September. I lost my balance a couple of times. I fell down from an escalator. I also fell down from trying to catch a foul ball at a Mets game, juggling chicken fingers and fries on one hand, and I just lost my balance. The next thing that happened was 2 weeks later, I tore my hamstring, and I was really out of commission for several days after that. Well, I had been to different clinics before for other issues. I've had back issues for several years now. I have spinal stenosis, scoliosis, osteoarthritis, so I have all those things merging into one. Then one day, Alliance Orthopedics says, I think we can help your condition, and from that point on, I've been coming to Alliance Orthopedics.
So Stephen first came to Alliance here in January. He first saw our pain management side. He had been dealing with low back pain on and off for about 5 years. But what really exacerbated his pain was he had 2 separate falls in September of 2023. He had tried physical therapy at a different location in town. It wasn't really working for him, so he wanted a different option. Pain management told him, hey, why don't you try physical therapy and chiropractic services here? He was a little hesitant at first. He went through a couple more MRIs and EMGs just to really pinpoint what exactly was going on with him. And then he started up in early March on the therapy side.
Oh, I've worked with just about everybody from pain management to physical therapy. Just so many names, too numerous to mention. It's all been great. They're very motivational over here, and I really look forward to coming for PT, which I never did before.
So he was doing physical therapy and chiropractic. We were trying to open up everything in the low back. He had a lot of stenosis going on from different disc bulges and arthritic conditions pretty much throughout the entire low back, right? So we told him from the beginning it was going to be a long road, but we definitely knew we could work with it. Stephen never gave up hope. He was really, really enthusiastic about getting rid of all the pain, including symptoms that had been going down his legs for the past few months. The exercises that he's been doing has really been flexion-based, which is forward bending. That's, again, to help open everything up in that low back, and it's really, really worked.
My favorite part of coming to Alliance Orthopedics is probably the massages, the chiropractic therapy that is given to me, and also the occupational therapy. I'm having that on my neck as well. Also, just the happy faces. Everybody, all the workers here have a smile on their face, and it really motivates me. They're very motivational, the people that work here.
Yeah, Stephen's progress has been amazing. He has made huge strides in all of his therapy here. He's been really, really doing well. Like I said, he's completely fine walking around. He doesn't look down anymore to look where his feet are. He's very, very confident in just walking around, no matter what kind of surface it is.
I felt much better physically. Yeah, I feel my quality of life has drastically improved since I've been coming here. I will probably continue to come at least once a week. For people who are experiencing pain, I would recommend going to Alliance Orthopedics. It's kind of a one-stop shop where all your treatments from surgery, from consultations, physical therapy, occupational therapy, it's all in one place, and that makes it so convenient and so rewarding, and like me, hopefully you would get results, positive results, that is.